now we are moving into the things I usually teach in level 2.7. And level 2.7 is still all about time steps, but now instead of using that standard format for a time step where you have a hop step, flap step somewhere in it, we are doing time steps that are completely different. The cool thing about time steps is they don't have to follow a standard format. They can be whatever you want them to be. They just should follow a 3 in a break kind of rule or have that repetition for setting time. They're called time steps because they are about setting the tempo. This first time step is one that I picked up off of Operation TAP and Anthony Morgerato. I refer to it as the beginner time step. I like it and I use it because it takes really basic steps, things that you learn back in Never Too Late, and puts them together into a time step. And it follows that nice 3 in a break pattern. So first up, here is the beginner time step. You're going to start with a shuffle ball change, and then you're going to do an Irish. Shuffle, hop, step. Then you're going to do a flap on the left foot and another shuffle ball change. And then a stamp. Okay? That is one side. So it's shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. So walking through it slowly, you have shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Let's do that again. 5, this one starts on 1. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay, I want to point out a couple of things. One is I am doing a front Irish with this. You don't have to. That's just one of the variations of this one. You could do a back Irish. You could do an Irish that kind of is just out to the side. It doesn't have to be a front Irish. I like the look of that front Irish. It gives it a little more interesting flavor. The other thing I want to point out is you want to keep your weight pretty heavy on one side. So when you're doing the right side, your weight is on the left side a lot because you're doing your shuffle ball change, your shuffle hop step. Now the weight has changed here, but you're going to do your flap and change right back to that left side, and then your shuffle ball change, stamp. Okay, so one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Now that stamp shifts your weight so that you're ready to try it on the left side. So you start with a shuffle, ball change, your Irish, shuffle, hop, step, your flap, shuffle, ball change, and then a stamp over to the other side. Just the left side again. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. So that one more time on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay, so let's put it together. Let's do one right and then one left. So starting with that right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay, so you're going to do it 3 times, right, left, right, and then there's going to be a break. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, flap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Let's do that one more time, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Here comes the break. So this is a funky break. You're going to hold on the 1. So you're doing nothing. It's just silence on the 1. You're going to do a left cramp roll. So it's going to be 1, a 2 and a, again, toe to heel. 1, a 2 and a, you're going to stamp left, stamp right. So that'll be 1, a 2 and a, 3 and, hold 4. Then you're going to do shuffle, ball change, and a clap. So all together, the break's going to go 1, cramp roll and stamp, stamp, shuffle, ball change, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, cramp roll and left, right, shuffle, ball change, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, a 2 and a, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, cramp roll, left, right, shuffle, ball change. Okay, so let's put it together. You're going to do the time step right, left, right, and then this break. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, hold, cramp roll, left, right, shuffle, ball change. Okay, I want to point something out here. I am saying hop, but I'm doing a heel drop. I have, for injury purposes, I am not allowed to hop, so I replace it with a heel drop. If you are someone who is good to hop and you want to hop, please do. But if you're someone who has to take care of some possible injuries or maybe knee issues and you shouldn't hop, you can do what I'm doing and just do it with a heel drop. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Cramp roll, left, right, shuffle, ball change. Okay, so we have finished with our weight on the right foot. The left foot is free. We are going to do this again, but this time starting on the left side. So you do your shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, full lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Then the right side, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, full lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. One more time left, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, full lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp, and then we do the break on the right side. So you hold the 1, you do your cramp roll, you stamp right, left, shuffle, ball change. This time we are not going to clap. The clap is on the 8th beat, and we need that 8th beat for the next time step that's coming up, so there's no clap the second time. Okay, walking through just the left side. You have 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Cramp roll, right, left, shuffle, ball change. Okay, one more time, just the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Cramp roll, right, left, shuffle, ball change. Okay, let's put the two sides together. So starting with the right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Hold, clamp, roll left, right, shuffle, ball change, ball change. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Hold, clamp, roll right, left, shuffle, ball change, ball change. Five, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step, ball lap, shuffle, ball change. Hold, clamp, roll left, right, shuffle, ball